Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super handy. How to put Google Slides into dark mode in 2025. If you're like me, staring at a bright screen during late-night presentations can be a real eye strainer. Dark mode not only makes things easier on your eyes but also gives your slides a sleek, modern vibe. So, let's jump right in and get your Google Slides looking dark and awesome in just a few simple steps. First off, make sure you're signed into your Google account. Open up Google Slides by heading to slides.google.com or through your Google Drive. Once you're in, look for the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. That's your gateway to customization. Next up, click on that gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings or Appearance. In 2025, Google has made this even easier with a dedicated theme selector. You'll see options for light, dark, or system default modes. Go ahead and choose Dark to apply it across the interface. Now, if you're working on a specific presentation, head to the View menu at the top. There might be a sub-option for Theme or Color Scheme, where you can toggle dark mode for that slide deck. Don't forget, this change could also sync with your overall Google account settings, so if you've enabled dark mode in your Google account preferences, it should automatically apply here. One quick tip. If dark mode isn't showing up, make sure your browser is updated, as Google often rolls out features with the latest versions. Also, test it on different devices to ensure consistency. It's a game changer for mobile users too. And there you have it. You've now transformed your Google Slides into dark mode, making your workflow more comfortable and productive. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.